Purdy, we made it. Just think, we'll be home tonight, Christmas Eve.
Oh, Ponger, it's hard to believe.
Well, kids, we're finally off to London, riding along like bloomin' millionaires.
Just tell the chauffeur not even to stop for tea, and we'll be home in plenty of time to trim the Christmas tree. Soon we'll be seeing the lights of London. Once we're there, we'll never leave.
Give 3 cheers and yip in the park.
We'll be back in Regent's Park this joyful Christmas Eve. London is just around the corner. This way of traveling such a treat.
Ponger, there she is, Cruella.
Well, Purdy, there's nothing more we can do.
Hey, lady, what in thunder you trying to do?